believe, opportunity, let music burn, never give up. That's right, guys. Today we are going to do the first unboxing of the Blon Opportunity and Drums Part 2 Z300. Now this is supposedly, allegedly the next generation for the Blon. I know, you know, that's one of the very popular things, like say 3 or 4 years ago, that looks somewhat, if you squint your eyes high enough, looks like the Zolento, but it's not. So yeah, we have this, and this is done in collaboration with the Hawaiian bad boy guy, who is a guy.
Ooh,
and
Hawaiian bad boy guy.
yes, please don't spank me, daddy. But with that said, I'm gonna unbox this. Only unboxing today because I'm kind of busy. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, these are brand new, fresh in its plastic sheet. These are the Blon's Opportunity and Drums Part 2 Z300. So this is done in conjunction with Bad Guy Good Audio Reviews. And yeah, at the front of the box, we can see that there is a herpy-derpy dragon at the front of it. I think it's kind of cute. A little bit herpy-derpy looking, but you know, still kind of cute. There's a female sign here for some reason, but yes. And at the back of it is just clearly stating some numbers, you know, typical stuff, 20 kHz, usable range, that kind of thing. Not too much, nothing to be expected. It's just really a plain white box, as you can see. So now I'm gonna open it. Of course, I have my trusty rusty cutter that I hope I don't cut myself with. I am gonna open it, and being the savage that I am, I'm gonna rip it after this. So yeah. So yes, so you can see it's being opened at the moment. So yes, so these is, well, it's basically white box. So now time to open it. It's coming out. It's coming out. All right, there we go. And of course, once you open them, you can get to see the earphone in its full glory. Mine's in blue, and well, of course, you know, Blon have to throw in their tagline here somewhere. This time around there's a slight change, so now it's believe, let music burn, Opportunity Part 2, and never give up. And yeah, it's covered in this plastic thing that is pretty common in a lot of Chinese stuff that you get. So I'm going to remove it, and now you can see the IEMs by itself a little bit clearer. It's held on by this foam board thing that I think it's, oh, it's not even foam, well, it is half foam, half cardboard, you know, so it's there. And of course, below that are the cables. This time around, it's a pretty nice copper S color cable. And this is terminated to a over molded 2-pin. So yeah. And of course, inside it are the ear tips that is provided. I think there are basically 2 types of ear tips that is provided. One with a more narrow bore. The other one, the bore is slightly larger. The white ones are the smaller ones, while the grey ones are the ones that is slightly larger. So if you think that the earphone has not enough treble, opt for the larger opening nozzle, so it'll give you a bit more treble energy. And likewise, if you think that treble is a bit too much, then use the smaller nozzle, so this will cut down treble by a bit. And of course, they also give you quite a nice carrying case from Blon. I don't see how it's going to give you any protection at all, so, but it's made of hemp, so I guess it's environmentally friendly somewhat. And lastly, we have the user manual that yeah, it's a user manual that basically nobody actually ever use. And next, let's take a closer look at the earphones themselves. And as you can see, these are the earphones themselves. Mine are in a nice matte blue that has the herpy-derpy dragon logo at the front of it. It has a 2-pin termination that is quite nice that you can change at this price point, but honestly, I don't see why you should do that. These are really cheapy earphones. Cables themselves might cost even more than that. In terms of build, it is made of metal. It feels quite solid to the hand. Quite nice actually for the price. Can't really complain too much. And let me just cover a slight bit about sound. Okay, now I've just finished listening to the Blon Z300s. These are the allegedly successors to the Blon BL-03. Now, what do I think about them? Honestly, these are very mid-bass forward, so you get a lot of mid-bass, and it makes it quite a fun listen, to be honest with you. Vocals here take a back seat. Now, they still can be heard and are quite clear. It's just that you will definitely notice the mid-bass presence a bit more. For the treble, they are actually pretty okay. They don't extend to the high heavens, but nor do I expect them to do so. It is adequate. Symbols and all are present, but not overly biting. But these are just my very quick impressions. Full review will come out very, very soon when I actually get to listen to them a bit more. But with that said, thanks for watching this first unboxing of the Blon Z300s. I hope you like them, and I'm very excited to have another Blon in the mold of the BL-03. Those are really legendary. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.